Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Friends, we are going to deal with a case law on human rights. No doubt, friends, all of you have completed the examination, but still, if some case laws are coming, we have to know they will be useful for the future students also. In the law of torts, in the human rights, I told you that a person shall not be confined unnecessarily, shall not be detained unnecessarily even by the police, even for 1 minute. I told you a case law where after the release, after the orders of release, that person was taken to the central jail prison superintendent where he was asked to wait for a couple of minutes and the superintendent came and warned him, but it was taken as illegal detention because even 1 minute of time is sufficient to say that he was illegally detained, and compensation was ordered. Likewise, Delhi High Court, Justice Subramaniam Prasad, in the case of Pankaj Kumar versus State NCT, Pankaj Kumar Sharma versus Government of NCT Delhi and others, imposed a fine of 50,000 on two sub-inspectors, Rajiv Gautam and Shamim Khan, who have taken the petitioner Pankaj Kumar Sharma and illegally detained him, put him in the lockup for only half an hour, 11:01 p.m. to 11:24 p.m. on September 2nd, 2022. For that, they are imposed a fine of 50,000, that too should be collected from their salary. Why? We have to know the genesis of the case. It so happened in Badarpur Police Station limits on 2nd September 2022, almost 1 year, 1 month back. Around 9 p.m., a woman, she is a vegetable vendor. She was assaulted with bleeding injury. She came to the petitioner Pankaj Sharma. She came to the shop. The woman was stabbed by a vegetable seller and she came to the petitioner's shop at about 9 p.m. and told him that she has been injured. What to do? Immediately, the petitioner dialed 100 and they called the police, and Badarpur police came to the spot. Right? Now, when the police came to the spot, they also picked up the petitioner. Who has telephoned us? Yes, sir. Pankaj Kumar Sharma said, yes. You also come to the police station. He said, why should I come to the police station? I have just informed you. She is the victim. You take her. You send her to the hospital. You arrest the fellow who stabbed her. He started arguing with the police. The result, he was also picked up in the van, police van, taken to the police station. Then, he was put in the lockup from 11:01 a.m. to 11:24 p.m. 11:01 p.m. to 11:24 p.m. And of course, later he was released because it is Delhi. They will not keep quiet. But the problem is, no FIR was registered at that particular time. He was illegally detained. That too, he is not concerned in any way to the police because of the complaint. He just informed the police. See, okay. Then he has approached the Commissioner New Delhi regarding the incident. So he is not a man who you can easily leave him. He felt it bad that the police unnecessarily detained him without registering the FIR, without any reason, and his movements were curtailed. His right to life and liberty under Article 21 were lost. Therefore, he approached the commissioner. As usual, no action. As approached the National Human Rights Commission, State Human Rights Commission. So ultimately, please remember, ultimately he came to the right. Then he filed a writ petition before the Honorable High Court of Delhi, stating that Article 21 was violated. Justice Subramaniam Prasad, he has looked into the entire story, documents, and came to know, of course, the police department, they stated that they have taken action against the erring police officers, that censure was given to them, but he is not satisfied. Even a moment, if you keep any person, it is illegal confinement. The police cannot take law into their own hands. The police cannot behave law unto themselves. There should be a lesson to them. So therefore, it has directed the state of Delhi to impose a fine of 50,000 and collect from these people. So who are they? They are SIs Rajiv, Gautam and Shamim Khan. So please remember, in this connection, Honorable Justice Subramaniam Prasad sir, he has reiterated the guidelines given in D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal 1996. Very famous case. Of course, we have been discussing the same time and again. So you know all these things. Whenever the police officer who is arresting, he should show a clear badge with his name in the local language also, and he has to explain the grounds of arrest. Without anything, they picked him in the van and kicked him to the lockup. It's not correct. They cannot take law into their own hands. They have not followed the guidelines of D.K. Basu. Therefore, awarded compensation of 50,000 to be paid to the petitioner Pankaj Kumar Sharma. The amount shall be recovered from the salaries of the two SIs. Very serious case. Looks to be silly. It's not silly, it's simple. Because just half an hour. Normally, I have seen so many persons. Just if they come out of the police station reception, they don't go and file the case. But here, he is a great man. He has moved around from pillar to post and made the people suffer. Right? So very good case law for human rights activists. Please read the case law. Pankaj Kumar Sharma versus Government of NCT Delhi. Thank you.